There's a car alarm going off. Yes, I realized that my face cam is not working. I realized it. So today we are going to play Freeze Tag or whatever this game is. I played this game before, that's why it's in my recent played. So yeah, let's go. Huh? That's good soda. I hate parkour. Excuse me? What the heck was that for? What the heck? Okay, I'm a runner this round and no one. That is so loud. No one. Oh my god, they're right there. Okay, I need to go. Back. Oh, it's my blue friend. Hi, my blue friend. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Yeet, yeet, yeet on them. Yeet on them. Yeet on them. Let's go. You just got wrecked, bro. Okay, I'm just people. Why am I? Oh my. Oh no. My blue friend. Yeet. I feel like they don't notice me. Okay. Ah! Yeet. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. I need to yeet on them. Yeet on them. Yeet. 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 No. What? Yeet. Let's go. Let's go. No, you can't get me. You can't get me. Let's go. Oh, yeet. Yeet. I got him. I got him. Got him. Guess who got him? That's why I got him. I got him. Move. 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 Ah. Yeet. 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 What? What? Okay, let's choose my boost. I'll be fast because I'm Sonic, bro. Guess it's a tagger? I'm a tagger because I'm lit. So, all these kindergartners are about to get schooled. So, where are these kindergartners? I cannot find these kindergartners. I'm blind. There's one right there. Hi! Hi! Hey! You can't do that. I can still see you now. Get schooled. Yeet. Yeet. Oh, what a star. That's cute. Yeet. Get yeet. Get yeet. You have to yeet with me to get unyeeted with the Yeet Nation. Ah! Get out of my way, Blondie. That's... Wait. Ha! What? What's that? You just got frozen. How does it feel, man? Okay, who else wants to get... What? Ha! Get yeeted. Yeah, no! Ah, I got hit. Yeet, I got $40. We gotta be Sonic again, y'all. I'm a runner, so I'm not the kindergartner, but all these kindergartners are kindergartners, so don't be the kindergartners. So we gotta be smart about this. So all the red players are right there, okay? And they're all splitting up to get me, cause I'm cool. This guy. So watch this. This park is about to get non-played. So first what you gotta do is you gotta dodge everyone, like boom, 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 boom. See, I can dodge people like this. See? What? Okay, I can't dodge people. I'm bad. I'm just bad. I'm running. This guy froze me. Okay, now I gotta unfreeze people because I'm a boss. I gotta go here. Sit across like Spider-Man. And I did that for no reason. Why did I do that? Gotta unfreeze these people because I'm cool. Yeet. Please, unfreeze me. Thank you. Someone's useful here. Run. Ah! Oh, this girl wants to go. She doesn't know that I have Sonic too. Beat that, Sonic. I'm Sonic number 1. You realize that, right? Guess who's Sonic now? Okay, I'm not Sonic anymore. No, Sonic! I can dodge people like this. No! This guy's about to get frozen. I can't let him do that. I'm such a failure. I'm a failure. I'm gonna be this. Oh, okay, I didn't get time to choose. I'm a runner. I'm lit. Yes, that's it. Okay, this looks like a shiny map, so I can be shiny. Shiny. Okay, so I gotta be smart about this one, because last time I wasn't smart. I was playing the poopy. Okay. Maybe if I don't lose, they won't notice me. I have to unfreeze that person. Because they're my friend. There! Haha! You're free! Okay, now these people are frozen, so I gotta unfreeze them. Here you go. There. Hey, buddy. Whatever. Okay. Let's see who else I could unfreeze. Okay. I'm going in. Ah! Thank you! I love you! You're unfrozen. Come on, let's go. Bro. This is my new teammate now. It's, what's her name? Animal Lover. Hi, Animal Lover. Okay, I think this person's frozen. We gotta unfreeze them because we're nice. I'm helping you. There you go. Ah! Unfreeze! Get this guy. No! What? Nuh-uh. That is not fair. What? I lost. I'm a poopy. Okay, we're gonna do this little shockwave. Because this guy's lit, you know? Okay, guys, so I'm blue. And last time I did pretty good. Better than I did the first time. So this guy's after me, so I gotta watch out. Okay, they're already after me. I'm stupid. Why did I go up here? That was stupid. Why did I do that? Anyway. I should have just ran like a normal person. But no, I had to be stupid and go up here. Thank you. Bless you. Ah! I fell. Okay, I gotta be smart about this. Ah, no, I don't want a stupid crate. Okay, I'm gonna get this person. Here you go. Lit. Okay. Go. Run! She's freezing all the people I unfreeze. Shockwave. How do I do this? I didn't even know what I was doing. That's not. She did not touch me. She was like not even close to me. Okay, so I wanted to get this on camera and show that I got unfrozen and then I got tagged when I was pushing the go button. So there's not really much to do here. Please, please, God bless you. Thank you. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm on top of. Come on, please. That girl's behind there. Do you see this? Look at that. This is so cheating. Someone needs to come and tag me because I'm getting really bored. Please, it won't let me go. Oh, because they didn't freeze me. I'm retarded. Okay. Please, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! Here you go. I tried. Please tell me that she didn't get frozen. Ah, red persons. Please tell me someone's not behind me. Okay, no one was behind me. Okay. Nope, someone was behind me, definitely. Okay, I'm frozen. That thing right there that my mouse is circling, is like how many people are left in the. Oh, there was someone right there. Thank you. Oh, I didn't even see her coming up. Okay, I cannot go that way. Where do I go? I don't know where to go. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Please tell me that's not a red person. Oh God. No! It's stuck! Shoot. Ah! Haha, screw you. Okay, he got me. I can do this. No! Ready? Okay, I can't go to that one. I go to this one. Ready? Please be. Let's go to this one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got really scared for a second. Okay. Wait. Oh, I died. No! I just want to beat this. Okay. So my goal is to get right there. Wait, who's this? Okay. Watch her mess up. Oh. Haha. Haha. He just got wrecked. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, we're good. What? What? Guys, I made it. Okay, so you're over here, maybe. Okay, and then you. Okay, then what do? You go here. Okay, no, you don't. I failed. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I was talking. I was too focused. Okay, so I went to the bathroom and I came back and I realized the round started. And I got frozen and then someone came in and unfroze me. So, that was basically my fault. So, yeah. I guess I'll go stand here alone. There's ice. Cold block. I don't know why I have hypothermia. I don't have hypothermia because I just got out because I'm lit. Okay, thank you. He's the one that. No! Yes, please. Oh, he just got frozen. I'm gonna get hypothermia in this ice cold block. And no one will come save me. Please, come save me. I got kidnapped in a block. Please, this guy is, that's a girl, I'm stupid. This girl is, oh, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. Puppy guard. Yeah, puppy guard. Because if you like puppy guard, then you'll lose your health. That girl's about to die. Watch this. She died because she was puppy guarding. There's no blue left. Can like one of us just get out of this stupid fog? Please, we need help. Help. Send help. There's someone left. Well, whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video. I burped. If you did, please like it. Just like it. If you didn't like it, just like it. It's weird because the like button means you're unliking it. I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then just give it a subscribe. I don't know what I just. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry this video was so long, but thanks for watching. Bye.